These have reinforced tips. You see that? These are not going to bend or break, right? Those tips are made to withstand hard use, hard throwing. They're very fun and they're very strong. And they are relatively easy to throw. Hey, what's up YouTube? So did you know that next to the impact devices behind the air guns in the gear room, we have a little section for throwing knives and spikes. Throwing spikes, throwing spikes. I'm doing this one-handed. Alright. There you go. Some very large throwing knives. They come in this triple sheath, which has a belt loop, and it's more just to carry them conveniently. This is very heavy, right? But yeah, it comes with a sheath with 3 pockets in the sheath. The brand here is JXE, JXO, Sentinel throwing spikes or knives. 8.3 inches blade length, 14.5 inches overall length. These are huge for throwing knives. All right, 420 HC steel. That's the same steel you'd get in a typical buck hunting knife. It's a cutlery grade steel. It is stainless, and it's a better grade of steel than you get in most cheap throwing knives, definitely. 0.2 inches thick, 0.9 pounds in weight. So, these are heavy-duty throwing knives. $36 for 3, so around $12 each. That's actually not bad at all. Just doing a few warm-up throws with one first. I've done a little warm-up already, got a feel for these throwing knives. Alright, there you go. These have a nice weight to them. Yeah, these have reinforced tips so as not to bend or break. Yeah, one problem with the cheaper throwing knives on Amazon, they're tiny, right? They look big in the picture, but they're tiny. Those are actually huge throwing knives, and they work better. Now, this is the time in the video where I request that you represent for the knife community. If you want to help out the channel, give me some engagement, leave a positive comment if you have time. I really appreciate it. Now, this same brand sells these spikes. I have not reviewed them yet, but if you need a bow shuriken, you might want to check out their store. So I will include that link to their store where you can find these, and just a lot of interesting budget-friendly items for throwers. Alright, and those will be US Amazon links if you can use those. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Yeah, so you get the idea. These are fun. Alright, can you throw these no spin? Yes, I haven't really been practicing no spin with these, but from close range I can. What if he's right behind you? What if he's right behind you? Oh, he's not behind you anymore. Having fun throwing the steel. You see the thickness there. These are very strong. Now, they are designed so that you can actually, if the target gets crowded and they hit each other, they're actually designed to survive that. All right, you see like that little mark right there and that little mark right there. Okay, that's from the target getting crowded, and when one throwing knife hits the other, it'll just make a little nick, but it's no big deal. Right, those can be sharp. Those little nicks can be sharp, though. One of them did tag me. All right, but when you're done throwing, you're just going to take a metal file and smooth those out. I mean, if you tried to throw just a regular dagger with a very thin tip, you could break the tip. These will not break. Now, these do not have an edge, right? For safety's sake, they don't have a sharp edge. You could sharpen them if you wanted to, but they are very broad. The difference between these and a lot of the junk throwing knives on Amazon is that even though these are cheap, these are actually real throwing knives. All right, they've got the weight, they've got a good balance, and they've got the thickness. I did see someone who claimed he broke one, said he broke one just after just past the guard. I don't know how he managed to break one. I mean, I guess anything can be broken, but I have confidence in these. I threw them for quite a long time, just having fun. These are some very good quality throwing knives for the price that they are. You know, the smaller, lighter knives, it's like throwing a feather. You don't want to begin with small, light knives. You might think it's easier to throw a small, light knife. Not for most people. I just feel like they're a bargain. I purchased these on Amazon so I could return them if I don't like them, right? I'm going to keep them. Keep them in my my little throwing arsenal. So do I recommend them for the price? Yes. Yeah, I'm glad I picked these up, and I also have some spikes from this same company. I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been We All Juggle Knives, and we all throw knives too. I'm out.